Hello viewers, I hope you are all well. Welcome to my channel Study for Competitive. I am Shankar and now I am going to discuss the important current affairs of 18 July. If you don't subscribe my channel still now, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon. And because of some technical problem, I could not upload the current affairs video in time. So without wasting a little time, let's start. First, we will discuss about important day. Nelson Mandela International Day is observed on 18 July every year by United Nations. Nelson Mandela was an South African. He had dedicated his life fighting for equality in the society and promoting human rights. This day is celebrated to remember Mandela's contribution to struggle for democracy and promotion of culture of peace throughout the world and promoting human rights. The United Nations General Assembly declared on 9 November 2009 to observe Nelson Mandela International Day on every 18 July. Next, we will discuss about national. The Uttarakhand government has brought a new initiative titled Waste to Energy, in which waste generated in the state will be converted into electricity. As per estimation, Uttarakhand Environment Protection and Pollution Control Board UEPPCB 5 megawatt of electricity can be produced and it also to curb pollution also. And the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh and Governor of Uttarakhand is Baby Rani Moria. Next discussion topic is international. Rose Christian Osoka Reponda has been appointed as the first woman Prime Minister of Gabon. She becomes the 12th Prime Minister of the country and the capital of Gabon is Libreville and currency of Gabon is Central African CFA franc. Next, the virtual meeting between India and Russia was organized by Indian Council of World Affairs ICWA and Russian International Affairs Council RIAC. And the discussion of this meeting was what the condition of post-COVID-19 and how to tackle the situation by building cooperation between two countries. Next, we will look into the topic of obituary. Para-athlete and para-badminton player Romesh Tikaram has passed away due to COVID-19. He was awarded Arjuna Award for his excellence in para-athletics and badminton in 2002. Next, we will discuss about awards and honors. The journalist named Shahidul Anam from Bangladesh, Mohammad Mosid from Iran, Dapo Oloronumi from Nigeria, and Svetlana Prokopyeva from Russia who have faced arrest or criminal prosecution in reprisal for their reporting, and in addition to them, lawyer Amal Clooney will be honored with the Gwen Ifield Press Freedom Award 2020. The award is announced by the Committee to Protect Journalists, short from CPJ, and the headquarters of CPJ is in Newark, USA, and the executive director of CPJ is Joel Simon. Next, we will look into the topic of appointment. Bollywood actress Priyanka Chopra has been chosen as the ambassador of the Toronto International Film Festival 2020. She has been joined 50 celebrated filmmakers and actors along with Best Bollywood Filmmaker Anurag Kashyap. Next, we will discuss about sports. Spanish football club Real Madrid has been crowned La Liga champions for the 34th time by defeating Villarreal 2-1 at Estadio Alfredo Di Stéfano in Madrid. Next topic is index. India is the third topmost country in the Global Manufacturing Risk Index 2020. The index was released by US-based property consultant Cushman and Wakefield. That is the end of the video. If you want PDF of this video, please go to my site www.studyforcompetitive.weebly.com. So, like my video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.